Hello everyone, welcome back to Jass's class. Today we're diving into the latest updates on the Tech Mahindra Conversational Assessment for 2024. This assessment is a crucial part of Tech Mahindra's selection process and has been newly added to their on-campus hiring campaigns. The conversational assessment is designed to test three main areas: reading and grammar, comprehension and listening, and speaking. Let's break down each section. The first section is reading and grammar. You will have 20 minutes shared with the other sections to complete this part. It consists of several paragraphs that you must read carefully. Questions based on grammar, tenses, articles, and speeches will follow. The key here is to read thoroughly and avoid getting stuck on difficult words. Remember, take your time but don't linger too long on any one word or sentence. Stay calm and focused. Next, we have the Comprehension and Listening section. This part also shares the 20-minute total time. You'll need to listen to a short text, read by an AI, and then answer questions based on it. This section can be slightly more challenging because it requires you to pay close attention to the narrative. Make sure you listen carefully to the entire text and take mental notes of the key points. Distractions can be a big hurdle here, so stay focused and attentive. The final section is speaking. In this part, you will see a topic on your screen, have some time to think about it, and then narrate a brief essay or passage based on the topic. This section tests your pronunciation, grammar, and ability to construct sentences properly. While speaking, make sure you pronounce words correctly, use proper grammar, and complete your sentences without stuttering. Don't rush, and remember to use appropriate punctuation. In the reading section, you will read sentences displayed on the screen as prompted by the bot. It's crucial to read the exact sentence requested and focus on fluency and correct pronunciation without using fillers. The sentence build section requires you to rearrange word groups into coherent sentences, requiring careful listening and proper grammar. Next, in the repeat section, you will hear sentences spoken by an automated voice and must repeat them exactly as heard. This section emphasizes fluency and clear pronunciation, and it's essential to always respond even if you don't fully understand the sentence. The Q&A section requires you to answer brief questions with a single word or phrase, testing your vocabulary. You need to respond promptly to avoid negative marking. The sentence jumbled section involves rearranging word groups into coherent sentences, requiring careful listening and proper grammar. For the story retelling section, you will hear short stories and need to retell them, focusing on the main ideas and key details. You should aim to retell the story fluently, including characters and actions, and if necessary, use your own words while staying close to the original story. The open questions section involves sharing your opinion on given topics for at least 40 seconds. It's important to be grammatically correct, fluent, and clear, using decent vocabulary. Thank you for watching this video on the Tech Mahindra Conversational Assessment 2024. I hope you found the tips and insights helpful for your preparation. Remember, the key to success in this assessment is practice and staying calm. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to Jass's class and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I'll be posting more videos to help you with your career and job preparation. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and best of luck with your assessment. Bye for now.